Everyone, Greg again from Campedia and DIY Caravan. So today we're going to have a quick look at the back section where the kids are. It's finished, canvas is all done, so let's cue that intro and go and have a look.
Take me away, right from the start, we'll blow away every piece and part.
Alright, so what I'm going to do is let's go and open it up and check out how it works. Cheers. And that's it, that easy. So nice and easy. We'll have a quick look inside now. All right, so here we are. Obviously we've opened up all the windows, and as you saw from the other insert clip, we've just got a little pulley system here. That's just on a snap clip. That unclips, and then we throw the kids' mattresses out here for them to sleep, and then obviously all this rope disappears, and then it just clips back on again when we want to pull it apart. So that's how it is, that's how it works. Nice and simple, really easy and quick to put out, and just as quick actually to pack back up. So if you have any questions, let me just turn this around. So if you have any questions, yeah, pop them on the post. I'll let you know anything I can. I've loved seeing some of your other vans that you guys have put on the Facebook page. They look awesome, and so it's all about sharing. So look, if you like that video, if you like this video, hit that like button. If you want to know more about it, hit that subscribe button. We are getting so close to out hitting the road and get everything organised. Campedia, which is our business, is getting going really well. Getting more and more parks on board now that your guys are able to book as well. So keep an eye on our Campedia page. We're putting more info up there as well. And stay cool, stay happy, and happy camping. Cheers, guys.